Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a Velociraptor. Let's start off by drawing the head with a line going up and curving to the right with a long, flat snout. At the end, add a bump. Then, continue the line, curving down to the neck, and curving to the right for the back, and turning up at the end for the tail. Then, turn back towards the left to finish it off. Next, we can draw the legs. Start with a line curving down from here, and turn down towards the right. Then, a sharp turn that curves down to the left for the bottom of the leg. Leave a small blank space, and then draw two sharp talons at the bottom for the claws. From there, turn back up along the leg to the corner, a sharp turn with a bump on the top for the upper leg, and a line going up to the right past the base of the tail for the thigh. And in the blank space we left behind, draw one more talon pointed up like so. Paleontologists think that velociraptors use a special claw to help rip and pin down their prey. Next, draw the belly by continuing the line from the tail on the other side of the leg and curving up. For the arms, draw a line curving down from here, turning to the lower left, with a few more sharp talons at the end. Then, follow back up the arm, widening out a bit at the shoulder. Continue the line up from the belly on the other side of the arm for the neck. Then, curve to the left for the chin. For the lower jaw, draw a line coming down from here that quickly curves to the lower left and turns up at the end. From this end, draw a line to the right for the top of the mouth, and from the bottom, a line going up to meet it. In the corner of the mouth, draw a short curved line like so. And fill the mouth with super sharp teeth. At the tip of the snout, add a long dot for the nostril. And for under the bump of the head, draw an eye with a short curved line, a big dot underneath, and another short curved line underneath that. Next, draw the other arm and leg on the other side by copying them slightly to the left. Did you know that velociraptors had long, stiff tails that they used to help keep their balance while running? Scientists believe that they used their speed and hunted in packs like wolves to take down prey larger than themselves. Lastly, add some long spines coming out from the back of its head and along the top of its neck. And now you got a velociraptor. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.